Do you ever freeze when someone asks, "So, how was your day?"
Or maybe you just say fine because you don't know what else to say?
Well, today we're going to fix that. You'll learn how to talk about your day easily, naturally, and confidently, just like a native speaker. Welcome back to Simple English Space. I'm Anna.
And I'm Alex. Today's episode is fun, practical, and useful for daily life. We're talking about how to describe your day in English.
Everyone has a day, right? Morning, afternoon, evening. We all do something. So why not talk about it in English?
Exactly. This topic helps you in real conversations with friends, classmates, coworkers, or even your teacher.
Yes, and you'll not only learn words and phrases, but also how to make your sentences sound more natural.
Let's begin with something simple. When we talk about our day, we usually start from the morning.
So, Alex, how do you usually start your morning?
My mornings are simple. I wake up at 6:30, stretch, and make a cup of coffee. Then I check my phone, maybe read some news, and get ready for work.
That sounds peaceful. I usually wake up at 7 a.m., make my bed, take a shower, and have breakfast. Sometimes toast, sometimes cereal.
Nice. When you describe your morning, you can use time expressions like, first, I wake up at 7. Then I brush my teeth. After that, I eat breakfast. Finally, I go to work.
Exactly. Using connectors like first, then, after that, and finally makes your story more natural and organized.
In the afternoon, I usually have lunch around 12:30, and then I continue working.
Me too. Sometimes I take a short break after lunch, just 5 minutes to relax or have a walk.
That's good. You can use verbs like eat, work, meet, study, call, or relax to describe your afternoon.
And don't forget to add feelings. For example, I felt sleepy after lunch. I was busy with meetings. I was happy because I finished my task.
Now, evening time. What about you, Alex? Oh, I love my evenings. I usually go to the gym, then I cook dinner, and watch TV before bed.
Sounds relaxing. I like to read books or watch English videos on YouTube to learn something new.
That's great. Remember, you can describe your evening with phrases like, in the evening, after dinner, before going to bed,
Yes. And you can add emotions or opinions. I felt tired but satisfied. It was a quiet and nice evening. Let's hear an example of a simple conversation about your day.
Great idea. I'll be Mark and you be Lucy.
Hi, Mark. How was your day today?
Hey, Lucy. It was pretty good. I woke up early and went for a run.
Wow, that's nice. What did you do after that?
After my run, I took a shower and had breakfast. Then I went to work.
Did you have a busy day at work?
Yes, I had a meeting in the morning and I wrote some reports in the afternoon.
Sounds productive. What about your evening?
I came home, made dinner, and watched a movie. Now I'm just relaxing.
That's great. You really had a full day.
Yeah, I feel tired but happy.
That's a perfect example. Simple, clear, and real.
Yes, you don't need big words. Just tell your story step by step.
Let's learn some useful verbs for talk about your day.
Sure. Wake up, get up, take a shower, brush teeth, eat breakfast, go to work, study, meet friends, go home, watch TV, go to bed.
And don't forget time expressions. In the morning, at noon, in the evening, at night.
Also, you can use connectors to make your story sound smoother. Then, after that, later, finally.
Beautiful. Now let's talk about confidence. Many learners say, I don't know what to say when someone asks about my day.
True, but remember, your day is your story. There's no right or wrong answer. You can say anything you did. Even simple actions matter.
Exactly. You don't need to sound perfect. For example, I woke up late today. I was tired, but I made coffee and felt better. That's natural, and people will understand you.
Yes, the key is to practice speaking every day, even for 2 minutes. You can describe your day to yourself in front of a mirror.
Or record your voice, or write it down. Every day, you'll get better.
Remember, small progress every day leads to big improvement.
Let's give our listeners 5 useful questions and answers about talking about your day.
Question 1. What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 a.m. Sometimes I wake up earlier if I have a busy morning. Waking up early helps me feel more productive.
Question 2. What do you usually do after lunch?
After lunch, I usually take a short walk. It helps me stay awake and gives me energy for the rest of the day.
Question 3. How do you relax after work?
I like to read a book or watch my favorite series. Sometimes I listen to music or take a warm bath. It helps me forget stress and recharge.
Question 4. What did you do yesterday evening?
Yesterday, I cooked pasta, then watched a movie. After that, I called my friend and we talked for an hour. It was a relaxing evening.
Question 5. What's your favorite part of the day?
My favorite part is the evening because I can rest, think about my day, and spend time with my family.
Notice how simple those answers are, but they sound natural and complete.
Yes, the trick is to add small details and feelings. That makes your English sound real. Remember, talking about your day is not just language practice, it's reflection. It helps you notice what you did, how you felt, and what you learned.
I love that. When you speak English about your life, you connect the language with your emotions. That's powerful learning.
Right. You're not memorizing sentences, you're expressing yourself.
And that's the goal of learning English, to express who you are.
Beautifully said, Alex. Okay, everyone, let's test your understanding with a short quiz. Choose the correct answer, A or B. What phrase can you use to start your story? A, at the first. B, first I wake up. Answer, B. First, I wake up. 2. Which sentence is correct? A. I goes to work at 9. B. I go to work at 9. Answer: B. I go to work at 9. 3. What can you say to connect two actions? A. Then. B. Yesterday. Answer: A. Then. 4. Which is a good evening activity? A. Watch TV and relax. B. Wake up early. Answer: A. Watch TV and relax. 5. What is a good way to practice? A. Speak to yourself in English. B. Wait until you are perfect. Answer: A. Speak to yourself in English. How did you do? If you got 5 out of 5, great job!
And if you didn't, no problem. That means you learned something new today.
Remember, learning to talk about your day is the first step to fluency. You use English that connects to your life.
Yes, and the best part? You can practice it every single day, morning, afternoon, and night.
So, after this podcast, try saying your daily routine out loud in English. Example: I woke up early today. I made breakfast and listened to a podcast.
That's perfect practice.
And don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes mean you're learning.
The only real mistake is being too afraid to speak.
Exactly.
So let's keep learning, keep speaking, and keep enjoying English, one simple day at a time.
That's the spirit. Wow, what a great session today, everyone. We learned how to talk about your day in simple, natural English. You discovered how to describe your morning, afternoon, and evening, and how to make your sentences sound smooth and confident.
Yes. And remember, you don't need complicated grammar or big words. Just speak from your heart and share what really happens in your day. Every small step you take builds your confidence in speaking English.
So, here's my question for you. What new phrase or expression did you learn today that you want to use in your daily conversation? Tell us in the comments.
And here's a little teaser for our next episode. Do you know how to start a friendly small talk in English without feeling shy? Stay tuned because that's what we'll talk about next time.
Thanks for joining us today on Simple English Space. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep speaking English every day.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss other videos.